that tree, that life that's just, as you're working on it, it's kind of talking to you, it's kind of speaking to you. It just feels so natural to work with wood and see what you could do and just magically make this beautiful piece of furniture from a tree, and it just gives you so much of yourself. Like every piece of furniture is kind of you in there. You make this like bond with woodworking. I'm Diane Gomez, and I am the product manager at Offerman Woodshop. So I actually came here from Woodworks. I started at Woodworks sanding, doing 3 weeks. I was currently homeless and living in a shelter at the time. They liked me so much that they kind of kept in touch, and I got an email from Offerman Woodshop if I wanted to do some holiday card work, sanding, and I said yes, and I've been here ever since then. This is an amazing place to learn. So I go to school right now, but the things that I've learned from Sarah, it's so amazing, and I'm so lucky to have the opportunity to learn everything she's doing. It's just overwhelming. She hands out tips, she just talks, and I grab it, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna keep that one. When I'm out there with other woodworkers, I see the difference. I see what I've learned here is not what a lot of people have. And so I take that with me, and it does make what I make a little bit better. It just gives it like just a splash of finesse. My advice starting off in woodworking is just be brave. If you're afraid, be afraid. You should be. Respect the blades, respect the machine, definitely learn, be knowledgeable, but just do it. Take the challenge. It's very scary at first, your nerves get you. You don't think right because you're so nervous. You're gonna get over those fears really soon, and then just beautiful work will come out. Woodworking is a whole language in itself, and it's been kind of hard to learn that, but yeah, little by little it's just gone from sanding to using the saw and using a joiner, where now I make boxes, really beautiful boxes, and do some really good slab tables, and it feels amazing. It's only been a year or two, so I want to see how far I could go. I want to see what I could do. I'm 41, but I have a lot of time to make things, beautiful things, and it's very exciting. This is what I'm going to do.